What is it?
It's my school.
Wow. Did you do that on your own?
I did it with my sticks.
Oh, wow. With your stick?
Yeah.
So,
My stick said it was 6 and 0 and 6 and 8 and 10 and 9 and 6 and 3.
it's only you answered it?
Yeah.
Wow. You count on your own?
Yeah.
What did you call that? Addition,
I called it.
subtraction,
I called it.
Ano lang lagi?
addition, subtraction,
Called it subtraction.
subtraction.
Ah, pwede.
It's minus.
Yeah.
You're
I called
good.
it minus, but
Gamay lang.
I never wanted to call it minus.
Okay, very good.
Not minus.
Oh, very good. Mommy proud of you, baby.
Wait. What happened to this?
What's happened? What's that?
It sticks to this.
Oh, it's okay. Go, Janice. Already. Just sleep. Bye-bye.
Yung model dito, meron na, di ba?
cut out his hair?
Oh, pala.